this place is called Porto União, and this is what you are watching now is one of the biggest waterfalls of this area. It has got 72 meters, and around it you can see a lot of rainforest. It's a very beautiful area. You have to walk about half hour by the mountains to get here. It has been raining for 2 or 3 weeks, so the volume of the water is bigger than usual. The stream is very strong now. It's summertime in Brazil. Now the temperature is about 35 degrees. Wow, let's walk closer to the waterfall. Very slippery here. You have to be very careful. Whoa. We are almost there. Listen to the sound. This is a therapy. Ooh! It's raining here. Can you see the rainbow here? 2 actually. Oh my word, this is amazing. Bye bye guys.